For Science and Arts in April, we are learning all about instruments, and today we are learning about the guitar. Let's go! Pluck, pluck, strum, strum. It's time to play the guitar. Playing the guitar is fun to do. The guitar is a string instrument. Most guitars have 6 strings. Some guitars have 4 or even 12 strings. Each string makes a different sound. A person plucks or strums a string with his or her hand. This string vibrates and makes a sound. These sounds are called notes. The notes can be high or low. People play guitars using their fingers. Some people use a pick. Strumming one string at a time makes one note. Strumming more than one string makes a chord. There are many kinds of guitars. An electric guitar like this is plugged into an amplifier like this, and this makes the guitar louder. Most guitars are made of wood. An acoustic guitar has a hole in it. The hole helps make the sound. People have played guitars for a very long time. Egyptians of long ago played instruments like guitars, and people all over the world still play guitars today. People make many kinds of music with guitars. 2 kinds are folk and rock. Guitars are sometimes played alone. They are played alongside other instruments too. People often play guitars while someone sings, and many bands have guitars, like this one. Pluck, pluck, strum, strum. Playing the guitar is fun. Now let's go through 4 new words that we learned in today's book. The first word is acoustic guitar, which is a guitar that does not need an amplifier. A person can play many kinds of music with an acoustic guitar. Amplifier is a machine that makes something louder. An electric guitar uses an amplifier. Chord is having several notes played at once. A chord can be played on a guitar. And finally, Egyptians are people who live in the country of Egypt. Egyptians of long ago played a kind of guitar. Now it's your turn. What do you think about this magical instrument called the guitar? Let me know down below. And also share with me what your favorite instrument is. Take some time to think about it, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson for some more learning fun. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.